So, today we got a new furnace. It's a Lennox Elite series. There I am. If you can hear it very quietly, the fan's running on a very low setting right now for some reason. I think it's to circulate air. Here, maybe if I put the microphone in front of here, you'll be able to hear it. Yeah, there's a little bit of air coming out of there. Our old furnace was a Bryant Plus 90. Here, let's turn on this quick. Our old furnace was a Bryant Plus 90. Oh yeah, don't breathe in those gases, you'll die. Let me open up the cupboard. If you don't mind. Alright, I'll set you guys down for a minute. It's running on 04 right now. Whoever that is. But you can hear the fan's definitely going. Yep. There's a filter size. Oops, leave that on like that. Because when I do that, it gets a flickery effect because it's PWM. That stands for pulse width modulated. Sorry, that was something falling. I think a book or something fell. Anyway, there is a lot more space in here now. It has a Legrand switch on here. Pretty nice. This turns it on and off, which I'm not going to press right now, even though I really want to press it because it looks like that's going to feel really good to press. It only has one thing on there. It was installed today. There's your condensate drain. Here, look it out. But yeah, I'll have it call for heat. And then we'll get to hear it start up. Alright, now if you'll excuse me for a moment, I'm going to go call for heat. Firing up. Here goes the draft producer. Oh, there's a hot surface igniter. Now listen. Beautiful sound. Now see in here, the motor will kick into high or it'll kick into low for the first stage. There's my new Lennox Elite. So again, this thing replaced a Bryant Plus 90 from 1995, I think, or something like that. Maybe 92. It was super old. Anyway. Now, this furnace is smaller now, so I can actually walk behind here. Of course, there's a ton of crap that I put back there to keep the space bigger and cleaner. If you guys want to see the flames, oops. Let's check out the flames. Ow, I just stepped on something. Look at that blue flame. Just turn on a light. Alright. This is a two-stage furnace. When the demand for heat gets bigger, it will turn up higher. Of course, right now it's a bit smelly because it's brand new. But the air coming out of that vent is nice and warm. And yes, for all you guys who are like, why did you replace the old furnace? Yes, we had several issues. We'd have to have people come back year after year. Our heating and cooling company was like, okay, yeah, your furnace isn't working again. When we come here, they know exactly why. Because our furnace wasn't working again. And there's something wrong with it. So yeah, before this thing's battery dies and this film goes corrupt, I'm going to stop the video. But for your viewing pleasure, today was a Lennox Elite series furnace. Thanks for watching. Join me next time on Penny Baby Productions. And FYI, I'm not dead. Bye.